Want to create a TikTok account on your iPhone but don't know how? Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on TikTok on your iPhone easily. So, let's get started. First, open up the App Store app on your iPhone. Then tap on the search bar. Type TikTok and tap on the search button. From the keyboard here, you'll find the TikTok app. Now, tap on the cloud icon to install it. After the installation, tap Open. Next, the TikTok feed will open on your screen. Now tap on the profile from the bottom right corner. If you want to sign up manually, then tap on Sign Up from below. Here, you can sign up with your phone number or Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID. Suppose I want to create this account with my phone number. To do that, first select the country code. Then enter your phone number. Then hit the Continue. TikTok will send you a 6-digit code on this number through text message or phone call. Then enter the code. Next, enter a unique password. The password should have at least 8 characters and 20 characters max. And should have letters, numbers, special characters like hashtag, question mark, exclamatory mark, or @mark. Then tap Continue. After that, enter your nickname here and then tap Continue. And here is your TikTok profile, which has been created. And that's it. In this way, you can create your TikTok account easily from your iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.